In May 2021, a Shiba Inu investor turned $17 into 5.9 million by doing absolutely nothing. So what is Shiba Inu? Where did it come from? Why did it gain popularity? And where is it going? Hi YouTube, it's Yashi, and today we're doing Shiba Inu 101, but only if you first slap the like and subscribe button to bless the YouTube algorithm and stay up to date. Also, this is not financial advice. When it comes to crypto, please talk to a professional. In August 2020, an anonymous person or group called Ryoshi released a coin based on the Ethereum blockchain called Shiba Inu with one big headline: to become the Dogecoin killer. For the first few months, surprisingly, nothing happened until the spring 2021 altcoin season arrived. In April 2021, everybody was on a gold rush, including me. We all started out with Hoge Finance, then came SafeMoon, and then all the knockoff versions of these like Safe Mars, Safe Galaxy, Eclipse, etc. etc. Shiba Inu had a cool name. They had a really cool headline, and they had one last big weapon. 50% of the total supply of the coin was sent to Vitalik Buterin private hardware wallet. If you don't know who Vitalik is, he's the creator of Ethereum, so very famous, very big. And they sent everything on a wallet that was very difficult for him to access. So basically what happened is this gave Shiba Inu the time to create some hype around this before Vitalik would notice and actually be able to reach the wallet and do something with those 50% of supply. We had the hype, we had the weapons, it was just a matter of time before an influencer would turn away from the Binance Smart Chain, look at Ethereum, find the token, and start posting the hell out of it. And just like that, everybody was talking about Shiba Inu. By the time Vitalik was able to reach his hardware wallet, it was already too late. The token already 1000x'd, meaning that $10 became 10,000. And if he would have decided to dump all those tokens, it would have been a mediatic catastrophe for him. So what he did instead is simply send 90% of what he had to a burn wallet, meaning that half of the supply would have been burned, kind of like a stock reverse split, and the remaining 10% actually was used for charity. So the token went from being Vitalik's token to being a charity token, which hyped everything even more. And last, the David against Goliath story between Shiba Inu and Doge was so awesome that it pumped the price a lot. It didn't reach Dogecoin yet, but it set the foundation for what was coming up next. The season ended, and during summertime, everything dropped and consolidated all across the market. Still, the story was alive, and this gave the time to many exchanges to start talking about potentially listing the token. Why so? Well, compared to other tokens like SafeMoon, Shiba Inu never mentioned about creating a centralized exchange to compete against other coins and blockchains. They just wanted to be decentralized, so nothing really, let's say, competitive against bigger players like Coinbase, Crypto.com, etc. etc. That's exactly what happened in Q3 of 2021. The market picked up, and during that pickup, perfect timing, Coinbase and Binance finally listed the coin, making it more available to people who didn't understand how buying and selling and swapping on the centralized exchanges worked, meaning we had a lot of new investors that could come in and put in money, and that's exactly what happened. Shiba Inu finally made it. They surpassed Dogecoin for a brief time, but they still did. The last biggest change that did not happen yet, but is continuously rumored and brought up also right now, is the exchange listing on Robinhood. Yes, the platform where you can buy and sell stocks, exact. But enough with history, let's talk about projects. Shiba Inu released their own decentralized exchange that they're improving every single day. They also released an NFT incubator or marketplace, as well as two other native tokens, mostly used for the community to vote, stake, and earn multiple rewards. However, when it comes to utility and future projects, honestly, I haven't seen too much information out there and no actual releases on the websites. To conclude, personally, I'm not invested into this coin, and I don't think I never will because it already reached a very high market cap multiple times. Now, of course, in the past year, we saw people on Wall Street bets making a lot of money and pumping prices extremely high. That can still happen, but what I like more is utility tokens, so tokens that can actually be used in the day-to-day life or to help corporation, etc, etc. And at the current stage, Shiba Inu to me does not give that vibe. I still love the community, and I still love the use case of having a community create something big and even bigger than actual utility tokens, as this one here reached the top 10 in less than a year. And if you're invested, I still wish best of luck to you and big game. But again, not financial advice. I don't know where this will go. I hope this video gave you some good insights about the projects. Please let me know if I missed something, which I for sure did. I might do a sequel about this video because I was not able to find a lot of information about especially the project. Thank you for watching. Ciao!